going? This is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to another spoiler alert video powered by SV Games. Now, I'm sure now wonder how come I sit down at the chair again, but based on half of the series finale, there is no more Iron Throne. So I are standing it for this review. So it is season 8, episode 6, and trust me people, I'm sure if you're still like me and you have good sense and understanding, you know so that the finale there wasn't a finale. That finale was
It need a little more salt.
I don't know, there's so many things, it just did missing so many things. The little feeling, the little Remember, you know, people have followed Game of Thrones for 8 years, you know. Then wait 2 years from this season, the 6th episode and this is what we get. This is what we get.
What is?
Yes, exactly. That is how me feel. But before I jump into the little, recap of the season, let me go and introduce the submissions for this week in SV Games Spoiler Alert! Woo! So one of the submissions comes from Shivani Speaks, and Shivani said, on the final episode of Game of Thrones, Tyrion will be locked up for setting Jaime free, Grey Worm will die in the episode, Jon will have to kill Daenerys, Jon renounces his claim to the Iron Throne publicly, and for that, Shivani, I'm gonna make sure you get one prize, one of the runner-up prizes. So congratulations, Shivani. Yeah, big up yourself. Another first week she enter, people. She has been entering week after week, and grateful for that. Me cash pot. So the next runner-up winner of the Spoiler Alert competition goes to Sheree Gay Campbell. Now this is what she said. Civil Gotsa. Jon will know that Daenerys is not a good queen, but rather a mad queen. Daenerys will try to kill Tyrion because he set Jaime free, but I think Jon will stop her and kill her before she does it. And now people, we've been doing this week after week. For 5 weeks now, we have arrived at the ultimate moment where I have to announce who will be the grand prize winner of the SV Games powered Spoiler Alert competition. Who is that person who predicted properly what was going to happen in the series finale? Give me the lotto drum roll. Raheem Booth! Woo! Yes! Woo! So this is what Raheem Booth said. Episode 6 will be focused mainly on Jon, Dany, Tyrion and Arya. Arya will want to put Dany on her list to kill after Dany burnt everything. But I don't see Arya killing her.
Wow.
Tyrion will not want to follow Dany again and give up being the hand of the queen. And Jon will kill Dany because he has no choice after she betrays his right for peace. And maybe take over Drogon because Drogon will be loyal to him. Maybe Jon won't want to be king, even though that would be best, and go back to the north to rule. So yes, Raheem, you are the ultimate grand prize winner of the SV Games Spoiler Alert competition, and here is what you will win.
So the grand prize winner will receive the ultimate party package filled with snacks, goodies, and memorabilia for you and your friends. Now this is courtesy of Supreme Ventures SV Games and Mailpack Local.
Now, let me jump back into the matter and talk about this series finale. Now, people, you mean to tell me, spoiler alert, if you just don't know what is going on, you really go and put Bran? Bran is now the person on the Iron Throne? Really?
Why do you think I came all this way?
So Sansa, I want to save and grace them, Sansa, big up yourself because you look good in the episode and all of these things, me like say you look regal, and them, making you for be the Queen of the North, that is definitely a plus. I'm okay with the little ending there, because it kind of fit in and you step into your own as a leader, you learn over the little years, the little batter bruising them when you take, and it make you go and be a very fierce queen.
The North will remain an independent kingdom.
Tyrion, I do not know how Tyrion survived under this. Tyrion can't fight, but what the man can do is to use him mouth. Oh wow, that's on our way. But Tyrion can talk him way out of anything.
You're the most powerful people in Westeros.
But then Jon now, Jon, you know what, I'm gonna give you the Tarabang something. Tarabang, start to it.
I was rooting for you, we were all rooting for you, how dare you! Learn something from this!
The whole information that came out that he was the rightful heir to the throne, everything was being built up for him to take over. And then in typical Game of Thrones style, them just gonna do something else.
Ta-da!
So basically get sent back to the Night Watch, so saying can't do, can't married, have no opinion, all of them things there.
You know nothing, Jon Snow.
And yes, I forgot big up my black brother who made it successfully to the end of the show. Grey Worm, me think them did ever kill you, but you survived. Congratulations.
At first I was afraid, I was petrified.
But they actually like to see the little council come together and you get focus to Sam and boy Sam, I think you did just ahead of your time, boy. Yeah, try focus suggest democracy. The people them was just like
The decision about what's best for everyone should be left to, well, everyone.
What is this? What is?
And yes, Brienne, Madclown Brienne is now head of the Kingsguard, and in episode 6 you could have seen her make entries into the history books, and right at this point I think she should have talked up some worse or things about Jaime. Jaime is a workless, nasty drunker man. Me sorry the day any woman ever lay down with him. Dirty Jaime. And now, Danny, me and you come from season 1 and I feel a way so you have to dead like this from your own boyfriend / nephew, but I saw it go. You did a little bit too power thirsty. Also, the highlights of the episode, there are a lot of moments that I really liked. I loved this scene with Dany when she was about to do her victory speech to the Dothraki army, and you could have seen Drogon behind her, just like the wings them, the cinematography, excellent. Mwah, muy bien. And also this moment where Drogon was actually like the director humanized this dragon, like he was able to mourn the loss of his queen, and all the people did wonder why him never try to go attack Jon, but you realize that Drogon, him a fool, him an idiot, him understand the scripts. Jon go up to him already and reason with him and say like, yo, here what, this is what me gonna do, you know, like, me have to go do it, you know, like, yo, me have to just take a road, but me gonna make a little better life for me and you, where I can escape go somewhere, and I promise me, I gonna meet up, and everything will go good, you understand how the thing said? Melt the Iron Throne itself, because you do know that was the source of all of the evilness where they are going in Westeros, so big up yourself, Drogon, intelligent piece of dragon. And yes, I forgot to mention my girl Arya. No, Arya. She gone west. She always says she want to go west of Westeros. So she stopping to feel like a Christopher Columbus type of meds and set sail. For all I know right now, Arya could have head to Port Royal. She gone somewhere in the West Indies for go save the world. Flat or a piece of bami or dumpling or whatever it might have been. And personally, me just wish the Game of Thrones writer them, the director them, everybody who worked part of it, they just end the show at episode 3.
That's all, folks.
The world would have been good if they just kill off Cersei from like earlier on and kill Dany or something and make the build up lead up to killing the Night King and then just end the show. I think everybody across the globe would be in peace. Everybody would have good, but right now people just kind of uncomfortable with the ending. But let me know, people, what do you think of the series finale? Are you still a big fan of Game of Thrones, or were you let down by the writing this season? Comments down below. Thank you so much for supporting the Spoiler Alert powered by SV Games series. I enjoy the interaction from week to week. I'm so happy that you guys tuned in and actually did wait for the videos them and wanted to hear my commentary. It's greatly appreciated. Have to make sure I tell you to go and download the SV Games app right down here below.
That's all, folks.
I am Jon Snow, and I know nothing. I know nothing at no point. Kafu, tak smutu sebelah. Ria smutra, dah runa, ni breaking dem tetong roto.